Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate our team's online education platform to clearly show the interaction between students and teachers. I will open two web clients at the same time. First, let's look at the login and registration page. Here we can enter our username and password to log in. For example, I can use my own account to log in. The system will automatically recognize whether the user is a teacher or a student. Of course, if you haven't registered before, you can click Sign Up Now. Let's assume the teacher is new and hasn't registered yet. Here we can choose our role, fill in our username and full-name, enter our email, password, and confirm our password. Then we click Sign Up and will be taken into the system. After logging in, we arrive at the home page. On the left side, you can clearly see all the features integrated into the platform. The available features differ slightly between teachers and students. For students, the available modules include My Courses, Activities, Grades, Learning Progress, Schedule, Discussions, and the AI Assistant. For teachers, their functional modules include Course Management, Chapter Management, Activity Management, Student Management, Grading Workbench, Teaching and Analytics, Teaching Schedule, and the AI Teaching Assistant. At the bottom of the students' homepage, they can see their recent activities as well as reminders for upcoming deadlines. On the teacher's side, they can see the most recent submissions from their students and upcoming activities. Next, let's move on to the course interface from both the student and teacher perspectives. For students, all the courses they are enrolled in will be displayed here. They can click Enroll in New Course, and a pop-up window will show all the courses created by different teachers. Now let's switch to the teacher's client to create a new course. For example, we create a course called Deep Learning. Fill in the course information. Select the difficulty level. Set the course price, and specify the maximum number of students allowed. Then, after refreshing the students page, the new course becomes available for enrollment. For example, if we select this course and click Enroll Course, the course and its details will immediately appear on the student's course homepage. Similarly, the student can choose to drop the course here, and once they do, it will move into the dropped courses list. Also, teachers can manage the chapters of their courses through the Chapter Management module. For instance, if we select the Deep Learning course and click New Chapter, we can add a new chapter along with its learning points. We can save it as a draft and continue editing it whenever needed. Only when we click Publish will the chapter be officially released. We can continue to create a few courses and let the student enroll in them. Next, we move on to the Activities module. Teachers can click Create to add a new activity for a course. For example, creating an assignment. Here, the teacher can enter instructions, such as no generative AI allowed. Since teachers often need to provide assignment materials in file format, we added a file upload feature. For example, if we have a PDF file, we can simply click and upload it. Then we can set the assignment time, score, the number of allowed attempts, and other optional settings. After creating the activity, we can click View Details. This page shows all information about the activity in a very complete way. We can download the file we just uploaded, and once students submit their work, teachers can click Grade to give a score and enter feedback for the student. For students, after refreshing the page, they will see this activity in their activities module, as long as they are enrolled in the course. As part of the demonstration, let's open an activity from the student side. In the details page, we can clearly see that this is an assignment. Students can download the teacher-uploaded attachments and click Submit to create their submission. Similarly, students can upload their assignment files here. After submitting, the activity will appear in the submitted list. Next, we go to the Grades module on the student side. Here, students can see the status and grades of all activities. If we switch to the teacher's role and grade the assignment, then refresh the student interface, the student will immediately see the updated grade for that activity. Then we switch to the student management module on the teacher's side. Here, after selecting a course, the teacher can see all the students who are enrolled in that course. Of course, the teacher can also search for a specific student by typing the student's name in the searching bar. Next, we move on to the grading workbench. Teachers can click Grade to evaluate a student's submission or click Return to send the submission back if they believe the student needs to make improvements. Next, let's look at the AI module. For students, we provide 4 AI-powered tools: Intelligent Q&A Assistant, Homework Helper, Study Plan Generator, and Knowledge Point Summarizer. For example, let's open the Q&A Assistant. Here, students can ask any question. Let's type Introduce AI Agents. Then we select the related course. Click Start Analysis. And after a few seconds, the AI will generate a response. Likewise, we also provide several AI tools for teachers, including automatic grading, quiz generator, teaching suggestions, course outline generator, and learning analytics report. Let's demonstrate one of these features. For instance, the quiz generator. We select the subject, difficulty level, question type, and number of questions. After clicking Generate, we wait for a moment, and the system will produce the generated questions. And that concludes the walkthrough of our project. Thank you for watching.